Okay, so within SolidWorks we have the following problem with the scale tool. The problem is that when you add a picture and you want to scale it up, that window where you can modify the value will not appear. And this is something that also happened to one of my colleagues, and he still wasn't able to fix that. Now, if for example I will go over here within front plane, I will sketch a picture, I will add side 2 for example. This is how that problem occurs. So you will initially position the sketching tool, but afterwards, for example over here, when you're going to release this, the problem is that this modify window will not appear. And I think that this is a problem with the multi-window, and maybe it has some problems with the operating system, but I'm not sure if that is the answer. But I know that you can also do an update for SolidWorks, and within your versions this should be fixed. For example, I'm currently, if I will go over here and I will go to about SolidWorks, you're gonna see that I'm using the 2024 Service Pack 3.1. So within this version I don't have that problem, but maybe within some previous service pack from 2024 this problem still occurs over here. So if anyone else encountered this problem and knows how to fix this, please let me know in the comment section.